Good morning. I'm going to start a stream here about that Celtic knot. I'm just going to try to draw it from scratch and see if we can make one that's not going to give us the problems in the manufacturing space the other drawing was from yesterday. All right. So, yeah. I'm going to open up the Celtic knot from yesterday just to get some rough dimensions. Not that it matters because it's kind of scalable, but all right. Just trying to see how roughly big this thing is. About 10. Six. What's the diameter of this thing? Roughly. 8. Okay. What size is this box? 12. 18. Okay. That's probably 14 here. Yeah. Let's open a sketch on the XY plane. And let's start by making some circles. Or even a triangle. Let's start with a triangle. I'm going to use this, what is that, a center scribed polygon? Interscribed. I'm going to tab over and switch to 3 points. Dang it, I wanted that thing trained to, yeah, right there. Say about 6.5 across. It's probably too big, let's see. Oh yeah. I'm going to start with a circle. After all that. Let's go 6. I'm going to make this a construction circle too. 6-inch diameter, perfect. Now I'm going to get a polygon. Three points. Right, so from here, let's offset this 1/2 inch, not even 1/2 inch, quarter, and I'm going to also offset this quarter. So we'll have a 1/2 inch ring. Let's go ahead and we're gonna make those circles the right size. That's probably the diameter, eh? Actually, I'm going to go to the center instead. Something just doesn't seem right here. Let's do it to here. To there. That's where we're going to. Let's go to 8.5. So it's still 1/2 inch thick. Should be 8.25, wouldn't it? That's right. 8. And 8. Okay, it's starting to look like a Celtic knot. Let's put some offsets in here. Let's take a look at that file again. Yeah. So we got these little offsets here. That's pretty close. All right. O for offset. Oh, I can't offset an offset. Of course I can't, right? That's what the warning was. It was just giving me about an 1/8 of an inch maybe for these offsets. Sorry, my volume is so quiet on this thing. I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that. I have everything at maximum, and even bought a half decent mic, and it just doesn't seem to get any louder. All right, a little bit of manual work here. Here. Oh yeah, it's not going to let me offset the offset, so we'll do this offset, which will end up being 3/8, to give me an 1/8. Do that again. 3/8. Flip. Perfect. All right, we have a Celtic knot now. So let's extrude this out into something. How about a rectangle the exact size that the OP had on there? 14 by 18. All right. I'm gonna hit extrude here. I select everything. And I'm going to deselect the stuff I don't want. So I am going to get a picture of that Celtic knot on my other screen, so I can kind of see where the laps are on that. All right, start here. Kind of follow it around. I'm referencing another image on another screen here. Okay. All right. concentrating here. I don't want to have to be doing some of this twice. Did I get that right? I think so. Okay. Alright, looks right to me. Let's make that, I'm not sure how thick you had it in the drawing, but I'm going to go 14 gauge. And how did that turn out? Is that a Celtic knot? Yes. Yeah, that looks correct. All the gaps are good. Alright, let's finish this drawing here. How long are these? 4 inches. Alright. So I'm going to do a rectangle again. Center point. And it's 18, so 4 minus 18 minus 4 minus 4 is 10. Oh, that's not the rectangle we want. We want this rectangle. Tab 10. All right. Other options for selection for those rectangles are right over here, which I should do too. All right, that's blocked off. So let's make some cuts through there. Extrude. Perfect. And we'll put the lines on there for our relief cuts. Kijiji giving me an alert here. 4A, so let's go. How long did those relief cuts? They're a 1/4 inch away? What were they? .9 or 3.3. Okay. So let's say 1/4 inch. And then we'll mirror that piece. That's the beauty about doing everything off origin, is you can use it for your mirrors. Then we can use the mirror tool again to mirror the mirror. All right. Finish sketch. I'm going to do one more sketch to pick up those lines on a separate drawing. We're just going to project those single lines only. Oh, except I missed mirroring one, it looks like. So that's no good. Oh, I mirrored the wrong thing. Ha. I mirrored the construction line and not the, the construction line, not the actual line when I did that mirroring. Okay, finish sketch. Get back on track here. We're just going to project the lines only. Perfect. Finish. So let's go into manufacturing now. Create a new setup. Bottom left hand corner. I'm going to call this knot tin. Okay. I did do it right. Okay. Now for cutting. I'm just going to use this example tool. You can replace it with whatever you want if you just have to use this file. And we'll select all this. I'm going to do a little bit of lead-in radius. Actually, I don't want that. Just 160 is fine. There we go. It created it instantaneously. So, okay, let's do another file here. And this time I'm going to select that second sketch we made. And we'll do center compensation and get rid of all of our leads. That's done. Perfect. And let's watch the simulation. Perfect. Oh, when it's all done in Fusion, it sure has no problem. There's something fishy with that other DXF. There's a few extra nodes on those arcs too that shouldn't even be there. Like these are going to all be perfect arcs on this one. Anyhow, I will save this file and post it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you got something out of that.